Got to adding the website version, catching up with what I'm doing in the Android apps for profiles and teams. Let's take a look. When you log in as a learner, you first see your collections. This is already established. It's a dashboard. You can move around the tiles that represent your tasking. You can toggle between collections and skills. You can see your skill emblems. And there's so much going on here, but this is already established. Let's look at what's new. This is the learning profile. You see your different fields. You can change them. You can change your permissions, how you share your learning progress with connections and teammates. You can go label by label and choose. You can search to find new connections. This is on skills. You search, you get the result, and then you click on an invite and you invite them to be a connection with you. Once they are, you can see their profile page. This is looking at one of my connections profiles. I can see the labels and emblems are working. And connections are a little less intimate than teams. This is the team interface. This is a contract. Now I get to look at the summary of the skills for the team. This is you share among each other. You can choose different sorting orders. You can sort by skill points or skills. You can choose technical skills, transferable skills, or thinking skills to kind of narrow your focus. You can choose on just completed or queued work. Once you click on these items, it shows you precisely this is in queue. These are the people in queue. This is a definition of a skill. This is who's already completed the skill. It can help you understand how the numbers came into place and precisely who is doing what. Once you do that, you can start to get even deeper. You can look at this is a teacher with a team, and it creates windows. This is kind of a little bit different than the tiles and stuff we looked at before. The windows allow you to kind of get these different items for comparisons or preparing or choosing between different tasks, and you can accumulate them and kind of move them around your screen. You can do it for different comparisons. Labels are great for side-by-side comparisons. The Flash are ideal for preparing. They kind of show you a content to prep you for that experience, something you want to remember. And you can put them side by side, and they're kind of skinnier too on the screen. The maps are better for sharing standards if there's a lot of standards included. Now I look at a teammate up here, and I can see their skill emblems, which we saw before, and this is kind of the same interface. Once I look at the emblem, I can go below it, I can click on the different tasks to see what they're working on, and I have that same kind of interface between the three views, the labels, the maps, and the flash. So this is what's new, and it's caught up to what we're doing in the Android apps. It's great on a large screen. It's also optimized for mobile. Give this a try. www.skillslabel.com.